Right, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be trying to put a interior back in this Xantia V6. There they are, there's both of them. So the one over there, take at least the front seats out and we'll see what condition the one in there is. So let's get to it. I'll put this camera down. I think I might put it on top of my Seat actually, maybe I'll get a big view of it, and I'll film the rest on my phone. We'll put this down. Yeah, we'll see what we can do. Oh, that did open the other day. That did open. Oh, it wants to hide its own rust, it does. Okay, let me go and figure that out. What you can see behind me, those are the interior bits that are left in the car that we got, which full interior apart from the two front seats. So I'll have a look at that box though, over there, see what's in there. So what's been left for us in this box then? It was hidden in the boot. What have we got? Plastic. What's that? Spooks Motorsport. Nice, I'll get one of those. Yeah, that's a bit underneath the steering column. That's to show the plastic bits, I believe, that are left in there. That needs a wash. All still looks in good order though. Wiring, figure out what that's for. The motor for the other side. For that. Yeah, just plastic bits. Well, I think about changing the steering wheel, so probably won't need that. Actually, the seats in here don't look too bad. I mean, a bit dusty there, but no, there's any rips or tears in these. A little bit of, I guess, bum mark there. It needs a hoover, it does. But yeah, it doesn't look. What's in here? Oh yeah, mini fridge here. Well, it's the exclusive. Why haven't I got a fridge? You know what I mean? Just cubby hole, hatchback styly. Doesn't look like it's been smoked in either. At least not in the back. I did. Well, this was. Sorry, get a shot on my legs here. There you go. Look at that. Yeah, this needs to go in, doesn't it? Ew. Get a big, fluorescent blue shifter, yeah, for my automatic. I think that'd be good. Yeah, that's falling apart though. Yeah, while I'm here actually, I have a sport button and a snow button. I won't need that, not in the south anyway. But a sport button's pretty cool. It just firms up the suspension a little bit. So I can't wait to, once it's on the road, test those settings, see if they actually still make a difference or not. There's a stereo. I think it's slightly more upgraded than my one, but it's always the same. Oh, there's a cassette in there. Let me get that out. I'll try and get that out in a sec. My girlfriend loves cassettes, so I wonder what that's going to be. But yeah, everything else. So I'm missing a button, which is I wonder if that's for the Activa. Somebody with suspension, I don't know, maybe. Because surely this being the top line spec, you expect to have all the buttons. But seemingly not. the tiniest glove box, by the way. Look at that. Get what, 3 potatoes in it. That's what you need. Or some garlic, 1 garlic bread. There's my dog. Is that Ellie? Hello, Ellie. Hello. Ew. What's that? It's very warm. Willy! No, not yet. Well, I was just about to start find out where the bolts are for this Citroen Xantia on my one, and look what I found. And maybe it's a good thing I'm not saving this one, even though it will be saved by someone. But yeah, let's see what I've just found. This, if the shadows allow. There we go, that's a bit better. This is completely soaked, and it hasn't rained for ages. Yeah, look at that. Oh dear. Oh dear, dear. It's a bloody hydraulic fluid leak, isn't it? This one failed on it. How's it end up there? It must just come on. Well, it probably travelled along this and found a hole and leaked through. But yeah, so it's quite a lot. I'm surprised it still goes up and down as well as it does. But yeah, that's what that is. So that's gonna be nice and dirty, but oh well, that's what we expect. Would I have just met a seat belt, wouldn't it? Cool. Need to get my side trim panels off as well, don't I? I don't have any of that in the car, so it's going to be a bit mismatched in there. But so I think I've got a black interior and that one's got a grey one.
Oh, okay.
I think that's too big. That one's also going to be way too big. Helicopter, helicopter. Time to put the seatbelt back in. Imagination.
Yeah, I think
Cut
so
that
too.
out. Me being an idiot.
Yeah. We'll just make that quiet silence.
Yep. Top one.
So,
What? You have it, what? French dust in my nose. Alright, get the seat back in. Actually no, not seat back in. Plastic cover first. Yeah.
see it from this bit.
No.
500.
Unfortunately, the electric window version of the plastic holder surrounding the door handle, we haven't got one, so I've stolen a regular one off my old Xantia. So whoever's behind me has to be really hot. Oh well. I've never taken a steering wheel out before.
And then the bottom.